Hello, Honors Algebra. How are you guys doing? I just want to bring you guys another checklist video of what we need to accomplish this week. Um, we are going to go over the algebra prep questions part 2. I'm going to go over that in another video, and I want you guys to check that out. Make sure that you are doing it correctly. Obviously, I'm going to look at what you submitted, but go ahead and check that video out and see how it's done. Then we will be doing, we're going to be practicing factoring trinomials where that leading number isn't 1. But before we do that, we need to kind of work on factoring out the greatest common factor when it's not just a number. I know last week we went over factoring out just numbers, but we need to work on factoring out variables as well. So there's a quick lesson on that. And then we'll have our factoring trinomials with a not being 1. It's going to be the same method, that X method that I showed you guys last week, with just like a couple extra steps in there. So you'll need to submit notes for the factoring out the greatest common factor and for the factoring the trinomials when a is not 1. And then, so those 2 notes, and then there will be an Alex assignment, and then the, just like the algebra prep questions. There's going to be another one. There's going to be part 3 this week, okay? So nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. I'll put the list off to the side on the right-hand side there for you. As always, if you need help, let me know, reach out. More than happy to help you guys out. And that's all I got. We're almost done with the year. So keep going, keep plugging away, and reach out if you guys need help. All right, talk to you later. Bye.